Machines. Look at all those different aircraft. Let's construct this monoplane aircraft. Here it is, completely built. What do you think? Isn't it magnificent? It's a monoplane propeller aircraft. Here are all the parts of the aeroplane before assembly. Now, let's begin. First, we'll start with the fuselage and add the pilot's cockpit. That's where he sits. Great! Next, we will mount the right wing onto the fuselage. And the left wing. Wonderful! Now, let's mount one left tail fin. And one right tail fin. Now our aeroplane is starting to look good. Now we can add the rudder to steer the plane left or right. Now we will mount one wheel and we will mount the other wheel. And the small wheel at the end of the fuselage. Now, what is very important? Yes, let's add the propeller. This will rotate and power our aircraft through the air. And there is our completed aircraft, looking magnificent. And here we are now in the sky, flying through the clouds. Our aeroplane is a sports aircraft. It can perform air acrobatics. It can turn upside down and loop the loop. What a clever aeroplane! Look at it twist and turn through the clouds, with its propeller rotating and moving it along. Excellent! Would you like to construct another machine now?